If you want to uninstall an app on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the app that you want to uninstall, just like that, and then once you see these additional options, you can tap on uninstall, and then of course you can confirm that you want to do that. You can also select multiple apps at once, so once again I'm gonna press and hold my finger on the first app, and instead of choosing uninstall I can tap on select, and then I can keep selecting all apps that I want to uninstall. So let's say I'm gonna choose also maybe some Microsoft apps in here. Actually I can select the folder, unfortunately, and once you're ready we can tap on uninstall in here, and you should be able to confirm your choice for each app that you try to uninstall. And of course, besides that, you can also open settings, scroll down in here to go to apps. Now in here we can open any app that we want to remove, and then at the bottom use the uninstall option. Keep in mind that some of the pre-installed apps on this phone cannot be uninstalled. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.